I've got the bed on here, and it's out by that much, with that about 2 inches, and it could also use to come forward about an inch. I can move the back of it by taking that steel bar right here, and I can set it on top of the bumper, and I can kind of push it down and scooch it over, and I've got the back kind of close to being aligned. But what I did here is I put this jack here, put a piece of wood, put a jack stand on it, and then another piece of wood. And what I'm going to try to do is lift up one side and then the other, and then just scooch it over a bit. Let's go around the other side. We'll try the same thing. I'm just going to pull it. Oh, there you go. Now that is just about lined up, just like that. But it needs to come forward. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get back here on the back and try to use my little bar to goose it forward just a little. That's pretty close. Yeah. I'll go under it with a flashlight. See, there's my gas line. That'll come right up into the back. And here's my bed. Sits right there, and I can see the hole right here. Almost looks like I might be a little too far forward. Let's go over there and look. I think I still got a bolt on this side. Yeah. Where's my hole? There it is, I think. Oh yeah. Now, you can see, is that a bolt right there? Yeah, see that bolt right inside there? When I get the light at the right angle, you can see the bolt. So that means this side needs to come backwards about an inch. So I think I can take my bar and get between the, well, I could actually, if I had a short bar, I could probably move it from under here. I've got one in my cabinet. I'll go get it. Now, I've got a bar here. Let's see if I can set my flashlight up right there. And maybe you can see it. Can you see it right there? I'm moving it. See that right there? That's close. Very close. Okay, I'm gonna ease down on my jack. If I do this correctly, this bolt will go right through that hole. That'll get me lined up from right there. Crawl out. Let's try that. It looks like it's lined up with this line here. Looks like it's right, so I'm gonna go back in there and see if that bolt came through it. Yeah, it did. See it right there? So this bolt is through. That means the bed is lined up on this side. Now I believe the other side doesn't have a bolt because I had to cut it to get the bed off. But there were 2 bolts in the middle and 2 on the back, and I think they're still there. So if I use this bolt to line up by, and then I go over to the other side, and I'll take my bars with me in case I have to move that side. See, if I get the front 2 lined up, then the back ones should be lined up also. Yeah, see, that's what you're seeing up there is the old bolt that got chewed off. And I might have to go up in there and knock that out, but still, I think that lineup is about right there. Now there should be one mid-bed back in here. I believe if I drop this side and then I go to the back and check, I believe the back bolts are going to fall into place too. This only had 4 bolts that were holding it, but it had 6 bolts. It had 2 that didn't have any nuts on them. They were just stuck in there. So let me I'm gonna sneak on over to this side and let this jack down. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, baby. We're doing it here. Oh, the joy. Pretty hot today. Anybody said we might go in the pool pretty soon, and I think it's a good idea. So I'm going to ease this one down. And then we'll go to the back. Let's see how it looks from back here. See, here's my bolt right there. I might want to lay down and look. Oh, that went down in there. These are some biggish bolts. I got the nuts that came off of this in a bucket in the front seat of the truck. Yep, see that's there. I can feel it. I can feel it with my fingertip. Let's see. In fact, I can see it. You see it right there? So, I don't have you facing the right way to see it. Sorry. You see it right? Now I can lift this bed and move it that much. Maybe I'll try sticking you here with a magnet. And I'll put this up here. And then I'm just going to try to pick it up. Move it just a little bit. Oh, not much. Might need a thing. Okay, so you can see the bolt right there. If you look through that hole, you see it right there. So I can reach my hand up in here like this, and I can put the bolt on right there. Can y'all see where my finger is? Right here. There's my finger right there, and that's where the bolt is. So I got a bolt for this side. I got a bolt. I should have a bolt over here for that side. You see that one? And then I got these middle bolts, and we can go up under here and look for them. I'm gonna try to figure out where they are from where I'm sitting. You see that one up there? So there should be one. There should be one right up there. So I'm gonna go under the truck here. Take a look. Should be one right in here somewhere. There's the hole, and the bolt looks like the bolt is sitting right there, so I might just need to jiggle that bolt a little bit to get it to fall down in there. I think I see that one over there too. So I'm gonna come out of the truck and go up in there and just see if I can jiggle that bolt and get it to go into place. Oh, the joy. Y'all didn't know we was gonna have this much fun today, did you? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. These things have a square hole that they have to go down into. There you go. That one went down, and that one went down. So it wasn't that they weren't lined up, it was that they weren't lined up with the square hole. So I've got 5 bolts in here, which is more than I had when I took it off. I've got one up here that I cut out. What I may do, well, let me get up in there and look. I don't know if there's If I can get a bolt down in there or not. Hoorah! Yeah. So there's something right there. It's not a bolt, but it may not matter. Because I think if I got 5 bolts in here and I only had 4 the first time, then I'm probably in pretty good shape. So now all I got to do is bolt this on, and then put the well, I got to put the gas line back on, put the bed guard back in it, put the tailgate on it, and that fire will be good. We'll be cooking with gas. Woohoo! All right, so let's step out of here. Easy now. That's good. And at the car show tomorrow, and they're having a Irish jam down in Athens Sunday afternoon. So I think I'm going to go to both of those things. So I'm probably not going to work on this anymore till Monday, but she cranks and runs now. All I got to do is bolt the bed on, put the tailgate in it, put the bed liner back in it, and then wash it up and clean it. And I got some windshield wipers coming for it. That's my bucket of spare parts right there. At some point I'm going to go through all that and figure out how much money I spent. I'm not exactly sure yet. These are my bed bolts and everything right here. Well, I don't see the big bolts, but maybe the big bolts are in that bucket. Anyway, we'll find them. We'll find some. All right, I'm going to cut y'all off again. Thank you for hanging out with me. Once again, you've given up your valuable time to hang out with me. I've had more than one person tell me that watching my videos were a complete waste of time, so you've wasted your time with me this time. So thanks for that. I appreciate you. I don't care if we get rich or not. I don't ever need any more than what I've got right now. The good Lord is good to me, and always has been. He's always given me enough, and I don't need more than that. Enough is enough.